am back with a new video tutorial which is related to the Canada based dedicated server hosting plan. So in my previous video I have already explained the very first plan of Canada based dedicated server hosting plan. Now in this video tutorial I will explain you the second one plan, that is a Canada based dedicated server hosting plan. Now as you know that I am from OnliveServer.com, that is a leading server hosting company that provide all type of hosting solutions. So whenever you log into the Onlive Server, that is OnliveServer.com, then you will get a very first user interface. Like this is our official website, and here you will get some of the navigations option like dedicated server, VoIP server, cloud hosting, or SSL certification, and some of other additional navigations options. Now here you can also, if you want to book a domain, you can click here or do the order or book your domain. Now just scroll the page. Here you will get some of the basic information about dedicated server hosting, VPS server hosting, web hosting, or cloud server hosting plans. Now this is our highlighted plan, like Russia based dedicated server, USA or France based dedicated server hosting plans. Just scroll the page, then you will redirect to the footer link. Like if you need some of the additional information about the cheapest dedicated server hosting plan, then you can click here. And if you require some of basic information about the cheapest VPS server hosting plan, then you can click here. Like these are some of our important links, so you can go through and get the information about our plans or our term and conditions. Now just scroll the page. Here you will get some of the payment methods, like we accept the payment through these channels, like we accept the payment through the Paytm, PayPal, UPI, PayUmoney, Bitcoin, or Yandex Money. These are some of the social media payment methods, so you can do the payment through these methods. And if you face any kinds of the issues to do the order or use the server, so you can click on the live chat section or Skype chat or WhatsApp chat. So just click on here live chat section. Our technical staff team immediately responds you. Now so basically this video is related to the Canada based dedicated server hosting plan, so we will go to the dedicated section. Now click here to dedicated section, and here you will get a wide range of country wise dedicated server hosting plan, like USA, UK, Ukraine, Europe, or Sweden, Spain, South Korea, South Africa based dedicated server hosting plan. So we will find out our targeted location, like the Canada based dedicated server hosting plan. Now click here. Now so whenever you click on the Canada based dedicated server hosting link, then you will redirect to the Canada based dedicated server hosting page. Now here you will get some of the plan, like very first plan that will I have already explained. Like this plan is available just $99 per month, and this video is related to the second one plan, that is this one. And with this plan you will get Intel Xeon processor and 4-core processor, that will be the 4-core processor up to the 8th thread, and 3.7 GHz of processor, and 32 GB of RAM, and 2 TB of hard disk, and the data center location will be Montreal, Canada, right? And this plan available at just $139 monthly. Okay, so to get this plan you can click here like buy now button. Whenever you click on the buy now button, then you will redirect to the configuration page. Here you will get some of the information about your plan, whatever you want to buy, like Canada based dedicated server hosting, the second one plan, that will, with this plan you will get up to 4-core and 8th thread processor, and the speed, CPU speed will be 3.7 GHz, and the RAM is the 32 GB of RAM, and the 2 TB of storage capacity you will get with this plan, and one dedicated IPv4 you will get this plan, and the server location will be the Montreal, Canada. Okay, and the setup time will be the 0 to 24 hours. So the second option you will get like the choose the billing cycle. Like this is also one of the most important part of your plan. Like if you think that your budget is very low, so you can choose the monthly basis plan. And basically we accept the plan, we accept the payment through the monthly basis, quarterly, or semi-annually, or annually basis. So you can choose according to your convenient. Like I will choose the monthly basis plan now, and this one is this one. Now here you have to fill your subdomain, like Onlive Server your domain.com. Now here you have to fill your password, and this one keep it blank. Now just scroll the page and you will go to the configurable option, like the operating systems. Like here you will click, then you will get some of the operating systems like CentOS, Citrix, Debian, and Windows based, and Red Hat, Ubuntu. These are some of the operating systems. Choose according to your convenience. Some of the operating systems are chargeable and some of the operating systems are absolutely free, so choose according to your convenience. So, and here you will get some of the control panel like C panel, WHM, and Flask panel, and the direct admin. These are some of the chargeable control panels. So if you think that this one is the best compatible for you, then you can select here. Otherwise it will be, you can select the none. But if you select this one, then your final price will be increased according to your current plan. Okay, so, and here is the DDoS protection, some of informations, and your data center location information. So after getting these information, just click on the continue button. Now whatever you want to keep your password, here you have to fill your password, and now this will be the blank, and just click on the continue button. So now you have to fill here NS1 and NS2. Now after fill this information, click on the continue button. Now whenever you click on the continue button, then you will redirect to the checkout page, review and checkout page. Now review these informations and click on the checkout option. Now we will click on the checkout option. Then here you have to fill some of the information, some of the personal informations and official information, like your first name, last name, email address, phone numbers, and your company detail like company name, address, on the city name, and at all like country names. Now just scroll the page, and here you will get some of the payment methods, like I have already explained about the payment method, like whatever you want to keep the payment method to do the payment, like Alpha Click, Bitcoin, credit card, debit card, net banking, and Bitcoin. These are the some of the payment methods, some of payment channels. So choose according to your convenience and do the payment and complete your order. Okay, I hope this video is absolutely beneficial for you, and it will be help you to do how to do the payment or how to book your domain, how to book your how to get your plans. So thank you for watching this plan.